The greatest generation stayed strong well into their later years without stepping foot in a modern gym. They relied on humble pantry staples that cost pennies and silently protected their aging muscle tissue. Modern adults are told aging automatically destroys physical power and that expensive supplements are the only solution. That is a complete fabrication. We now have modern university research confirming that these forgotten Depression-era habits completely outperform most modern muscle supplements. Now, let us go back in time to fix your health, starting with number 4. Number 4, the inflammation sweeper, chicory root coffee. During the 1930s and 1940s, chicory root coffee was the daily morning drink in millions of American homes. Real coffee was hard to find, so families brewed this roasted ground root simply to have a warm drink to start their day. But while they thought they were just making do with a cheap substitute, they were actually drinking a daily compound that actively preserved their muscle tissue. Today we know that silent inflammation is one of the biggest reasons seniors lose muscle mass as they age. This inflammation quietly burns through healthy muscle tissue day after day, regardless of how much protein you eat. Chicory root is completely loaded with inulin, which is a natural prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in your digestive tract. Without this fiber, those beneficial bacteria starve, allowing dangerous pathogens to multiply and leak inflammatory toxins directly into your bloodstream. By consuming chicory root daily, you are actively reintroducing the exact prebiotic fuel required to rebuild that defensive gut barrier. Researchers at the University of Leuven Department of Microbial and Molecular Systems conducted a double-blind randomized controlled trial in healthy volunteers to observe this exact mechanism. They found that inulin-type fructans from chicory root directly altered the gut microbiota to suppress systemic inflammatory markers. When your gut bacteria are well fed with this specific fiber, they calm down the inflammatory processes that eat away at aging muscle. That is exactly why seniors who drank this humble beverage kept their physical power longer than anyone expected. The science goes even deeper because further studies demonstrate that chicory inulin also helps control blood sugar levels in older adults. Stable blood sugar prevents insulin resistance, which is a condition that directly starves muscle cells of the energy they need to repair themselves. For seniors who had to give up regular coffee because of acid reflux or heart issues, chicory root gives back that warm morning ritual with massive biological benefits. You only need to brew one simple cup each morning using about 1 tablespoon of roasted chicory granules in hot water. Start by replacing just your second cup of coffee with this roasted root to ease your digestive system into the new fiber load. Make sure you let it steep for at least 5 minutes to extract the maximum amount of protective compounds into the water. This costs roughly 9 cents per cup and requires absolutely zero cooking or difficult preparation. But that is just a warm-up compared to the biological power of number 3. Number 3, the motor nerve fuel, cultured buttermilk. Farm families from the greatest generation always kept a cold jar of traditional cultured buttermilk in the icebox. This tangy, fermented drink was a daily staple that families drank alongside their lunch or supper. They drank it because nothing else was available, but this humble liquid was quietly keeping the nerves that control their muscles healthy and completely responsive. Today we understand that age-related muscle loss is not purely about failing to eat enough protein. There is an entirely separate side to physical decline that involves the delicate nerves that tell your muscles to contract and move. Your brain communicates with your muscles through specific electrical channels called motor units. As your body ages, those electrical nerve signals can slowly weaken and fail to reach their target. When those signals degrade, your muscles start to shrink no matter how much high-quality meat you consume. The unique dairy fats in cultured buttermilk provide the exact raw materials your body needs to patch these microscopic electrical leaks. Cultured buttermilk is packed with unique compounds from the cream that actively support the protective myelin coating around your nerves. Researchers at the University of Reading Department of Food and Nutritional Sciences investigated milk fat globule membrane supplementation in older adults. They discovered that these exact compounds significantly improved muscle function and cognitive performance while reducing frailty markers in aging populations. The biological mechanism is fascinating because cultured buttermilk is naturally rich in B vitamins, including B12 and riboflavin, and the fermentation process makes these nutrients highly bioavailable so your body can absorb and use them immediately. These specific vitamins are absolutely critical for maintaining rapid and reliable nerve pathways from your brain to your skeletal muscle tissue. For seniors, this biological upgrade translates into significantly better muscle response and a massive reduction in the risk of dangerous falls. You must ensure you are buying real cultured buttermilk containing live active cultures rather than artificially soured milk products. Start by pouring yourself exactly 4 fluid ounces of cultured buttermilk to drink with your heaviest meal of the day. The acidity aids in the breakdown of dietary proteins, while the dairy fats coat and protect your nervous system. Make sure you shake the carton vigorously before pouring because the most valuable fat globules often settle at the bottom during storage. This daily habit costs mere pennies, but provides the exact electrical infrastructure your muscles need to survive. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful and addresses the single most important nutrient your muscles crave. Number 2, the oxygen syrup, blackstrap molasses. For generations of working-class Americans, 1 thick tablespoon of blackstrap molasses was the ultimate daily tonic. Grandparents swallowed this dark, sticky liquid every single morning to build their energy and preserve their physical strength for brutal physical labor. They viewed it as a simple folk remedy, but they were actually delivering a highly concentrated dose of the exact minerals that modern seniors are desperately missing. Just 1 single tablespoon of genuine blackstrap molasses contains massive amounts of iron and potassium alongside critical calcium and magnesium. These 4 specific minerals work together in perfect biological harmony to keep aging muscles fueled and constantly functioning. Inside every single muscle cell are microscopic energy factories called mitochondria. These vital cellular engines require a constant flow of oxygen to convert your food into usable mechanical energy. Iron is especially critical because it serves as the primary transport vehicle that carries fresh oxygen directly through the blood and into your muscle tissue. Researchers from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention analyzed iron deficiency anemia in older adults and its profound clinical implications. They confirmed that low iron levels directly restrict oxygen delivery, which causes muscles to tire out incredibly fast and struggle to recover. When your iron stores drop, your mitochondria immediately shut down their energy production to survive. Millions of modern seniors chalk this rapid fatigue up to just getting older. But the reality is their muscle tissue is simply starving for oxygen. By restoring your blood iron levels with blackstrap molasses, you are forcefully turning those cellular engines back on. The magnesium content simultaneously relaxes the blood vessels to ensure that this freshly oxygenated blood can actually reach the deepest layers of your muscle tissue. A daily tablespoon of this dark syrup was the Depression-era answer to muscular fatigue, and it still completely works today. You must make sure you purchase unsulfured blackstrap molasses rather than regular baking molasses, which lacks the crucial mineral density. Take exactly 1 tablespoon every morning and dissolve it thoroughly into a warm glass of water to maximize intestinal absorption. Never consume it alongside dairy products or coffee because calcium and tannins can actively block your body from absorbing the vital iron content. Fixing your cellular oxygen delivery comes before almost everything else in your health journey. But that is nothing compared to number 1, which addresses a silent condition that actively dissolves your muscle tissue while you sleep. Number 1. The acid buffer, sodium bicarbonate. Plain baking soda was the ultimate mid-century remedy, sitting in the back of almost every American kitchen cabinet. Older adults routinely dissolved a small spoonful in water to soothe their digestion after eating heavy meals. They had absolutely no idea that this cheap kitchen staple was quietly protecting their muscle mass from a hidden biological threat. As your body ages, your kidneys gradually lose their youthful efficiency and struggle to keep your internal chemistry perfectly balanced. Your kidneys are the primary filtration organs responsible for flushing metabolic acid out through your urine. When the kidneys fall behind, the dangerous acid has nowhere to go and begins pooling inside your soft tissues. This gradual decline causes your blood to slowly become slightly too acidic for optimal cellular function. Your body views this rising acidity as a lethal threat and sacrifices your dense muscle fibers to release alkalizing compounds. When your blood becomes too acidic, your body triggers an emergency response that literally breaks down your own muscle tissue to extract neutralizing amino acids. This terrifying process happens completely silently in the background, regardless of how well you eat or how frequently you exercise. Researchers at the University of California, San Francisco Division of Nephrology conducted a randomized, controlled trial analyzing dietary acid load in older adults. They discovered that simple sodium bicarbonate supplementation actively prevented muscle wasting in aging patients experiencing this exact metabolic acidosis. Taking a tiny daily amount of plain baking soda helps your body maintain that critical internal pH balance without sacrificing your valuable muscle tissue. By neutralizing the excess systemic acid, you immediately stop the chemical signal that tells your body to consume its own muscular reserves. At just a fraction of a penny per daily dose, this is objectively the most affordable muscle protective habit in human history. You do not need expensive medical interventions to stop this silent acidic drain on your physical strength. Start by dissolving exactly 1/8 of a teaspoon of pure baking soda into 8 ounces of room temperature water. Drink this precise mixture on an entirely empty stomach about 1 hour before your first meal of the day to avoid disrupting your natural stomach acid. This creates the perfect biological environment where all of your other dietary habits can actually succeed in building new muscle. Your body was brilliantly designed to remain strong and fully capable well into your twilight years. The science now completely confirms that the generations who ate simple pantry staples were not settling for inferior nutrition at all. They were accidentally eating in perfect alignment with the exact biochemistry required to maintain aging muscle tissue. You do not need to spend hundreds of dollars on fancy synthetic supplements to reclaim your physical independence. You only require the specific knowledge to use these forgotten ancestral tools and the daily discipline to actually start. Your muscle tissue will aggressively respond to what you give it, regardless of your current age or physical condition. You have significantly more biological leverage over your aging process than the modern medical system has led you to believe. The evidence for that physical transformation is hiding right inside your local grocery store right now. Tell us in the comments which of these 4 forgotten habits you will start tomorrow, and whether your grandparents ever used them. We want to read your stories because we learn as much from your lived experiences as we do from the scientific literature. Stay strong and keep moving, and we will see you in the very next video.